Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I still think this needs to go up and break these previous highs. We probably are at a wave 5 right now, so maybe shortly after it breaks the highs, it will make a bigger move to the downside. But for now, I am definitely very bullish, and I am for sure looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly is where we got my Fibonacci extension measuring this last impulse, projecting off the last correction. Now, I do think it needs to take out the highs, and I also think that it needs to bounce off a Fib extension level, which means that I don't really think the 78% is going to be the level that it stops at. I think more likely the 100% right around the 155 area is the more likely place for this to end this wave 5. So, like I said, for now, definitely very bullish and looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily, I left this Fibonacci retracement on here because we are definitely past the 78%. Normally, when price goes beyond or above or below the 78% of a previous move, that is a really good sign that it is going to keep on going up and it is going to break the previous highs. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. So the only problem right now is that we have a weak dollar versus a weak yen, which is probably going to cause a very choppy pattern. I kind of think that there's a good chance that it does need to go down more because to me this looks impulsive. This looks kind of corrective, like A, B, C, or B. Probably needs to go down a little bit to make a wave C. But if I see it go down to like the 78% Fibonacci retracement, make an impulsive move up, break structure, then I definitely would take it as a long opportunity because as you can see on the higher time frames, I think we have a lot of upside potential still. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, you definitely could be looking for shorts right now. I think there is a pretty good chance that it is going to go down at least to the 61 or the 78%, like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So, I mean, you definitely could be looking on for shorts if you trade the 1 hour time frame and below. I would definitely only go short on the end of pullbacks, but you do have to remember that the trend is up on the higher time frames. And when the trend is up on the higher time frames, it can do pretty much anything it wants. It could just make a little push down and then just keep on trending up. So be very careful with your sorting opportunities because I would be more interested in going long than I would be in going short for the continuation of this uptrend. I'd like to see it go down to the 61 or the 78% for my long opportunity. But if it does keep on going up before that, then we definitely need to be aware that we are definitely in a big uptrend on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. And we have to remember that the trend is our friend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.